Okay, so I'm gonna just jump straight to it, okay? First thing I need to say is fuck. Fuck. Bitcoin, no, not Bitcoin. Bitconnect, fuck this shitty. Fuck, don't, if you're thinking about joining Bitconnect, don't. Okay, don't. I'm gonna tell you why in this video. Okay, essentially what Bitconnect service says it does is it takes your Bitcoin, okay, your hard-earned Bitcoin, or I guess it's what's like, this is weird. Anyways, it takes your Bitcoin, immediately converts that into BCC, okay? So it's their coin now, and pay you interest from their earnings on their so-called fucking trading bot. Okay, and the interest is paid in BCC, by the way, not Bitcoin. Okay, it's BCC, not even Bitcoin. I hate red. I like green more. Yeah, green is nice color of money. Anyways, so they pay you in BCC, okay, which is very important later on. So BCC, okay. So the interest rates are very impressive. They say it goes up to like 1%. A day, which is fucking, not even real estate does this, okay? Bitconnect's main business proposition is we can invest better than you, essentially, okay? So give us your Bitconnect, your Bitcoin. Oh, that's the weird arrow. Anyways, give us your Bitcoin, okay? So, and we will send you some of the earnings we made from investing it. And the first question a reasonable human being would ask, okay, I use blue, is why? Okay? Why the fuck would you do that for us? Okay? If you had this incredible ability to trade an asset in such a way that has virtually no risk and insane upside, why would you allow our fucking... You don't know us, so why would you allow us to get... Like, why would you reap? Why wouldn't you just take the benefits and become billionaires, right? If you're able to get 1% every day, let's say, okay, let's say for example, 1% of, I don't know, fucking 100k, okay? 100,000, that's 1% every single day. In 1 year, you'd earn almost up to fucking 4... Sorry if I cuss a lot, I'm very frustrated. I mean, you'd hit almost $4 million. So I'm not sure how to do the dollar sign. It's like... I'm European, okay? I don't know. Their method of trading would truly be... It's a revolutionary, okay? Unfortunately, it's very unlikely that this indeed has a special... They have a special trading bot, okay? It's very fucking unlikely. When you look at their initial post on Bitcoin Talk, it's very obvious that they performed like a pre-mine, okay? It's called a pre-mine, okay? Pre-mine. They pre-mined up to like 4.8 coins. Pretty much. So hopefully by now it's clear how Bitconnect is able to provide their users with BCC on a daily basis, okay? They have a virtually infinite supply of them due to the fact that they have stocked millions of BCC, which they are accumulating interest on, okay? So essentially they're paying out of interest of these 4.8 mil. They can, from this amount, they can pay their users interest and keep them happy just from the interest alone. Okay, so in essence, the interest they are paying you is not their returns from trading, but simply just the interest they got. It's not from them trading your money, okay? That's fucking ridiculous. So first we need to make an assumption, because I am unaware of how many users there are, okay? So, but let's say there are, I don't know, there are like around 50,000 users, okay? I'm not sure how many. There's fucking Trevor James, that fucking idiot, like promoting it, and like some others. I like Crypto Nick. He sounds knowledgeable, but I mean, I don't condone his like Bitconnect like promotion, but he seems like relatively smart, I guess, maybe. And he made millions out of affiliates, right? So that's insane. With an average Bitcoin deposit, let's take an assumption, okay? Bitcoin deposit of like 0.1 Bitcoin, which I'm not sure how much it is. It's like 0.1 or 1.7k or 1.5. It depends, obviously, okay? So for this average, with this, multiply this, okay? It's 1% of 0.1 Bitcoin every day, okay? So multiply this, okay? Multiply this with 50K, okay? And that's not that insane of an amount, right? Like, having a look at the richest BCC address, which I think is you can easily assume he's the owner of Bitconnect, you can easily sustain 100,000 users just on the interest accrued from the address, okay? From the address alone, okay? Many people defend Bitconnect's business practice based on the fact that they are able to pay their users with BCC, but that's so retarded, actually. I'm sorry for if you're offended, but that's so fucking dumb, right? Well, now you have a clear understanding as to how they're able to do that, okay? They're paying people, so they're converting Bitcoin into BCC. Then the major shareholder can easily pay up to 100,000 people based on the interest on the amount he has in BCC. You see how insane that is, right? So Bitconnect has found a way to take your Bitcoin, give you nothing in return, and keep you happy. It's so dumb. Because BCC is they're giving you out of interest. Yeah, they're not losing money. You don't realize they're sending you a tiny fraction of the interest they're getting from their pre-mined BCC. Like it's a tiny percent. That's fucking. Bitcoin. I give you props, but I mean it's obviously like the popular word thrown around this Ponzi scheme, which is it obviously is, right? It's like a triangle. It's like I don't know, 5% up here, like then 3, I don't know, 1. It's obviously a Ponzi scheme to get more people in. And the scheme is actually quite impressive, obviously, because it highlights how dangerous like these lending fucking companies can be. So please don't go into Bitconnect, okay? Don't go into Bitconnect. Just it's dumb. I know you want free money or seemingly free money, but eventually you're gonna get burned. Okay, Doug Polk, which I respect a lot, did the video against it, and like many people are against Bitconnect because they are, you know, not fucking idiots, I guess. But yeah, just don't go into Bitconnect because you're gonna get fire in your butt. Okay. Also, click the sub button below if you like money videos, okay? I do money videos on like cryptocurrencies and shit. Hopefully you understood why Bitconnect is a fucking fraud and why you shouldn't ever even touch Bitconnect, okay? But hopefully you enjoyed this video, and yeah, let's say it together, okay? Fuck Bitconnect. And also, did you see that the video with the fucking Bitconnect owner jumping around like he's on drugs? That's another option why you shouldn't jump in. But yeah, click the sub button below. I also have like a link to a guide on how to make money short term and long term. It's called like never.org/become rich. I know it's like a clickbait. I mean, it's a free blog post, okay? I'm not gonna charge you a dime. I will never charge anyone a dime from this channel. Maybe for a Nano S Ledger if you want to buy that's the safest wallet, but that's everyone has it by now. So anyways, see ya later, subscribers, sub to my channel, click the button like fucking over here or there, I don't know. Bye.